Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just a new car. It's a return to something many thought was lost. The 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham represents a revival of true American luxury, defined not by trends or excessive technology, but by presence, confidence, and comfort. Cadillac has taken one of its most respected nameplates and carefully reintroduced it for the modern era, without forgetting what made it iconic. From the front, the Fleetwood Brougham immediately commands attention. The tall, upright grille finished in deep chrome projects authority, while the sharp rectangular LED headlamps blend classic Cadillac styling with modern lighting technology. The horizontal LED signature gives the car a composed, almost presidential look. This isn't a luxury sedan trying to appear sporty or aggressive. Instead, it feels calm, confident, and unapologetically large, exactly how a Fleetwood should be. The long hood, subtle hood ornament, and wide stance reinforce proportions that prioritize dignity over drama. Along the side, the design tells its story clearly. This is a true, long wheelbase sedan, proudly showing its length. The extended rear doors, formal roofline, and clean body lines echo classic Fleetwood models of the past. Chrome window trim and polished door handles add refinement without visual clutter. The wheels strike a careful balance between modern and traditional. Large multi-spoke alloys fill the arches gracefully, offering a contemporary look while preserving ride comfort. A subtle pinstripe along the body adds a touch of heritage-inspired elegance. At the rear, Cadillac leans into nostalgia, done properly. Vertical LED taillights remain a Fleetwood signature, now connected by a full-width horizontal light bar. Chrome accents and dual integrated exhaust outlets hint that while comfort comes first, performance has not been forgotten. Step inside, and the character of the car becomes even clearer. The interior blends old-school Cadillac luxury with modern refinement. Premium leather, rich wood trim, and ambient lighting create a warm, executive atmosphere. This is not a cold, technology-heavy cockpit. Instead, it's designed for quiet cruising and long-distance comfort. A wide digital display integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system cleanly, while physical controls remain where they matter most: climate, comfort, and drive settings. Because true luxury values usability as much as innovation, rear passengers are clearly a priority here. Space, comfort, and serenity define the cabin, staying true to what the Fleetwood name has always stood for. While official specifications have yet to be confirmed, expectations are clear. Power is likely to come from a refined V8 or an advanced twin-turbo V6, possibly supported by mild hybrid technology. The focus is not speed, but smooth delivery, quiet strength, and effortless torque. Rear-wheel drive or advanced all-wheel drive is expected, prioritizing stability and comfort. As Cadillac's flagship luxury sedan, pricing is expected to start above $90,000, with fully equipped versions reaching into six-figure territory. The official launch is anticipated between late 2025 and early 2026. The 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham is not trying to compete with sporty luxury sedans or minimalist electric cars. Instead, it revives something rare in today's market: luxury with presence and dignity. This is American luxury reintroduced with confidence. This is Mobix Auto. If you enjoyed this look at an iconic name, Reborn, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more stories where heritage meets the road ahead.